All right, hello. It's another little handful of goodness from the ephemera box to sort through. So I know it's ridiculous, but I will even save things like this little scrap. I will add that into my collage fodder and I will use it. So I believe this box has found itself a good home because nothing will go to waste. Okay, this is from 1946 from the jewelry company. Oh, $40. Wonder what it was. It's exciting. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, look at that pretty card. Those beautiful colors. I love that. We got envelopes flying. Another pretty card. I think this went in here. Oh yeah, it's another card. I haven't done Christmas cards for several years. I should. This was apparently Paul. Right is Troy somebody. Oh, cute. This little boy, okay, this is I think the third handful I've shown with this little boy in it, and he just looks angry every time. He was not having a good day apparently. They're so sweet. Annie Davenport in dark dress. So there's Annie. It's so blurry, but you can see this. It's got a little kitty. Look at this outfit. Oh my goodness. Absolutely adorable. Loving those overalls. They were a little long. Paul made last week. The sun was in his eyes. Snow on the ground. So cute. Grace. Her name was Grace. So we have a little stack of checks from, looks like 1938. They all look pretty much the same. 1939. Awesome. Love those. Another card for a speedy recovery. And this is a postcard. Wonderful handwriting, 1962. And last but not least, the writing book, copyright 1914. Oh, my heart. Oh my goodness. So it's like school notes maybe? Republic of Cuba, 1909. These words are few but very true. God knows how I love you. One old slipper and one old shoe. If you will marry me, I will marry you. These are kind of like little poems. Sugar is white and so is salt. If Balula doesn't marry me, it won't be my fault. I had a heart that was kind and true, but it has left me and gone to you. Beulah is my darling, Beulah is my dear. If it wasn't for my Beulah, I would not stay here. Very interesting. Interesting. All right, that's really cool. Retail 5 cents. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then I also have this this tintype in there. I don't know if you can see that in the light. It's pretty dark, but I don't know a lot about tintypes. I have to look into that to really see what time period they were from, but very cool. All right, that's it for today, so we'll see you next time.